What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another down and dirty how-to with bugs. For this one, I'm going to show you guys a no bullshit way to get the Bf-109 started up and ready for flight. Assuming you guys have your controls mapped already for your basic stuff, whatever other little ones on the side that you guys could do with your setup, the more the better. So just make sure you have your basic access commands for your joystick, your throttle, and your rudders. And if you can, stuff for your magnetos, your landing gear, flaps, fuel pumps, and etc. is always helpful. But I'm just going to show you guys what you need to get the Bf-109 turned over and ready to fly. So without any further ado, let's jump into the cockpit and let's see what we could do. Alright, so we're in a cold and dark Bf-109. So I'm not doing this with Viacom for this one. And I'll show you guys so you guys can see the menu up top there. Normally you don't see that. So the Bf-109, unfortunately for the ground crew, it does not work with Viacom. I've tried it. Doesn't happen. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is our circuit breakers all over here on our right side. Let's get all these guys turned on. Okay. Breakers are all on. Let's turn our oxygen valve on. That's pressurized. Perfect. Well, we're over here. Let's get our radio, our radiator open. Let's hit the primer valve about 15 to 17 times. Okay, let's bring our booster pumps, P1, not the throttle, the booster pumps down here, P1 plus P2. Let's crack our throttle just a tiny bit, not a lot. Let's get our magnetos, M1 plus 2, and we should be ready to go. Let's signal the ground crew for the inertial starter. So our menu, F8, and then F4.
On the starter. Copy.
So while they're cranking that up, let's come over here, open that cover, and when they give us the signal, we're going to pull this and hold it. And I'm just going to hold our wheel brakes so we don't go anywhere.
Clear.
Alright, here we go. Here we go, guys. And just like that, the Bf-109 is running. So let's bring our throttle up. Don't exceed 600 RPM for a couple of minutes. Let it come up to temperature. Watch your temperatures and pressures. Close your canopy. Set your flaps as needed. And then we're almost ready for takeoff. So the only thing we're going to do is turn our prop governor on down here. Our MW50, if we're on a short runway, we're going to want to use that. But anything other than that, we'll be fine with that off. Those are our cannon switch. We don't need to worry about that right now. But we're pretty much ready to go for takeoff. Let's get our radiator back to automatic. And like I said, close the canopy, set your flaps, taxi on out, and go do what you got to do. I really hope you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Let me know. I will help you out the best I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and until the next sortie, strap in, arm up the seat, and keep flying.